Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, dear students, and welcome to our science class. Today is Wednesday, and the date is the 5th of January 2022. All right, we're talking about the weather. We said that the sun is responsible of the energy that causes water cycle. But not only that, it also affects the weather. So as the sun heats earth, temperature change. Changing temperatures means changing weather. Also, we learned about the types of clouds, and we know which one gives a thunderstorm, which one gives us rain, which means the weather is going to change, and which one means that there is a fair weather. So today I'm going to tell you about how you can measure the weather. I think measuring the weather is very important. Why would you want to know about the weather? Why? Because of what? Okay, when you ask teacher, what is the weather today? Is it rainy? Is it
Or
cloudy?
sunny.
Is it
Or
sunny?
sunny.
Okay,
Miss,
why would you
today, Miss, today is cloudy. Yeah, cloudy.
How about, is it cold or hot?
Yes, cold. Because the weather in Egypt, 20.
Okay, is it cold or hot?
Cold.
Cold. Okay.
No, it is not 20, 23.
Okay, when you
No,
ask
20.
about the weather, is it cold or hot? You are asking about the temperature. So,
I will go to see.
Khalid, just a second. So you showed me
Yes.
the temperature. This number is the temperature of the weather. The temperature is what, ya Khalid, right now?
The temperature.
I know, Miss. Can I?
It's how much is it cold or hot? So how much is it?
Cold. Miss, I know.
The
Miss,
number,
I
ya
know.
Khalid. What is the
I know.
temperature?
Hot.
20.
20 what?
It is
3.
Excellent. So the temperature is 23
23.
Celsius. You can measure the
I-
temperature
Look.
using the Celsius or Fahrenheit. So here in Saudi Arabia, most of us use the degree Celsius degree, okay? But in America, they don't say it's 23 Celsius. No, they say it's 90 Fahrenheit. So you have two degrees to use, okay? You can use by Celsius or Fahrenheit. And when you are measuring the weather, you are asking about the temperature. When you say how much cold or hot is it, so you are measuring the temperature. Khalid, can you
Miss,
go,
Miss, I want
What?
to tell you. Miss.
go inside, please?
Why?
Okay, Khalid, to go out, you need a permission from your parents. Please do not.
Miss,
Oh, my mom said if you want to go out, go.
Okay. All
but
right.
Miss,
حبيبي.
Look, I am not.
المدينة
House.
the weather 3.
Oh, so
No.
Medina's weather, is it
No.
cold or hot?
Not 3.
Cold.
Very cold. Okay, and when you are asking about the weather, is it cold or hot? You're asking about what? The temperature. When you measure how hot or cold something is, you are measuring the temperature. Have you ever measured your temperature? Huh. Sometimes when we are sick, our temperature goes up, raise up. Okay, how do we know about our temperature? What tool do you use to measure your temperature? Habibi, anyone, do you know how, what is the tool that you use to measure your temperature?
The temperature.
You use a thermometer. Do you know what is a thermometer?
Yeah, I know.
So when you want to know the temperature of your body or the temperature of the weather
I
or the
have it,
temperature of
and
anything, you use a thermometer. This is a thermometer. There's a thermometer for every
when I was,
for
I
everything.
have it,
There's a
and
thermometer for the food, there's a thermometer for people, and there's a thermometer for the weather. What is a thermometer? Close look.
thermometer
Please sit down.
and when I
Take a
was
look.
sick,
This
it was red.
thermometer has liquid inside. Can you see the liquid inside? What is the color of the liquid?
Red.
Red. The color of the liquid is red. When temperature is high, the
Because
liquid
it's very
goes
hot.
up when the temperature is high, when it's hot. But if it's cold, the liquid will not raise up, okay? If it's up, if it's
Will
above
go down.
zero, it will sometimes have rain. But if it's under zero, so let's say 10, -10, -20, it may have snow. Okay, so the temperature can measure for you how much cold or hot something is. So you can measure the temperature using which, yeah, Amr, how can you measure
Yes.
the temperature? What do you use? Which tool?
I remember. What? I remember when I was
What tool do you use, ya Amr?
temperature.
No, you measure the temperature using.
I don't hear you because Faris is talking.
Yes, please,
You talk.
Habibi, do not talk. When the teacher explains, do not talk. Omar, you use a thermometer. What do you use?
Thermometer.
Yes.
Thermometer.
All right. When you use a thermometer to measure the temperature, you have two types of degrees, Celsius and Fahrenheit. We use Celsius mostly here in Saudi Arabia, and sometimes in America they use Fahrenheit. Okay? So,
Yeah.
oh, not only temperature you can find. يا خالد, please حبيبي. Please يا خالد. حبايبي يا ماما. Please يا قلبي, close your mics. Oh, not only the temperature you can measure. If there is rain, do you know that we can measure how much rain came inside?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
We can measure how much rain falls by using this tool. This tool is called a rain god. What do we call this tool? A rain
God.
Yes, and we can say that this much of rain is fall down to the ground. So it may be 4 centimeters or 2 inches. So you can measure the rainfall using a rain gauge by telling or saying that we had 4 centimeters or 2 inches of rain. All right. Not
Yeah.
only rain and temperature. Do you know that we can measure the wind? How strong the wind is? If we want to know how strong the wind is, we can use a wind meter. But if we want to know the direction of the wind, we can use a wind vane. Can you see the hen over here on
Yes.
top of the wind vane?
Yeah. Yeah.
This wind vane has a big hin over here. Why? To tell you that the wind came from east to west. How did I know? Because the tail showing at the east and the nose showing at the west. So this is how you know where does it start, where does it end, from where it came. If the tail was in the north, so the wind are coming from the north side to the south side. So
Miss.
we learned
Miss.
what are the tools that we use to measure the weather. We use the
Miss.
thermometer to measure. Yeah, Habibi, ya Faris, just wait a second. We used a thermometer to measure the temperature, the rain gauge to measure the rainfall, and the wind vane to know which way the wind is blowing. Also, a wind meter so we can know how fast the wind blows.
Yeah, like this.
نعم يا فارس.
Like
فارس.
I remember when I was a baby,
Mhm.
not a baby, when I was 3 years old, I was so sick. And then my mom said to the doctor, my mom didn't say, but she got a thermometer and put it on me.
Yes,
yeah,
my
thermometer and
temperature.
Miss
in
my
the hospital.
Miss my temperature. It was 50.
Ooh.
Oops.
And then my mom.
Okay.
And then my mom.
Now, when
we
we
go
ask
home.
about the weather, ya Faris, when we need to know about the weather, what is the temperature of the weather? Do you know why?
But Miss.
Just a second, Habibi. Just a second.
Okay.
So when we ask about the weather, why would we ask about the weather? We need to be ready. Whenever you are going to a trip, maybe you are traveling, or even you want to plan your weekend.
Like maybe it's raining.
Yeah, maybe it's raining, maybe it's snowy, maybe it's sunny. So if it's a sunny day, what you are going to do if it's a sunny day, maybe you're going
We
to
will
go
go
to
to
the
the
beach.
beach.
Yes, you can swim. But if it's rainy, you need to wear a coat and you need to have a hat or an umbrella. So you need to be ready for the weather.
Miss,
All right,
in New
Habibi,
York.
let's take a minute. Let's take a minute. Open to
Okay,
page 309. Look
I
at
open it.
each item in what type of weather do you need to each of these, okay? How does each item protect you from the weather? There is a winter hat and there is a sunglasses. I want you to take a minute so you can think about the question and answer it, okay? All right. So,
That's a winter hat I like.
hi, Mohammed Mendili. Tell me, which type of weather we use a winter hat?
It protects you from snow.
Excellent. In winter. In
Winter hat in winter.
we
And
use it
snow.
in winter. Now, how does it protect you from the weather? Hi, I'm Mohammed Mendili. If you are,
Sunglasses.
I'm asking Mohammed Mendili about the winter hat, ya Khalid. Please do not interrupt.
Oh, winner. You put it on your head. So it's
Excellent, Mohammed Mendili. You cover your head, okay? In winter, why?
so your body don't get so cold.
Excellent, my head, to keep it warm. Good job. Good job. Good job. Excellent. So, what about the sunglasses, ya Khalid? Huh? When do you use
Sunglasses
sunglasses?
protect the view in the sun.
In sunny day. Excellent. Why would you use sunglasses in sunny day? Huh? How does it
Because your
protect
eyes.
it? Protect my eyes from sun rays. Excellent. Very good.
Don't finish right.
It's fine, يا روحي. So, Habibi, that was everything for today. I'm not going
No,
to.
don't
We
finish.
still, well, yeah, I know. We still have to write this page and the page previously. The previous.
But you end the recording.
Yes, excellent.
Then in sunny day.
Do not leave. Do not leave. Okay?
I will
Say bye-bye to
do.
recording. Please do not leave. We did not finish yet. We are going to write this one, and also we will write the previous page. We are going to revise again about the weather tools. Okay? It's only
Don't
we
finish.
finished the explanation. So please do not leave. We still have 15 minutes. Okay?
Oh,
Say bye-bye to recording.
bye bye. Bye bye, recording.